Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Anjali and these are the headlines.
Goa saw 562 COVID-19 cases out of 2,504 samples tested positive on Tuesday as India reported a slight dip at 1,61,736 new coronavirus infections. The national COVID-19 recovery rate dropped to 89.51%. The road from Ravanpon to Kepe is a dead trap with spectacular potholes that have been marked with flags, but to no avail, people are still falling in them. One worker was killed in a cylinder blast at a factory at Kunkore Industrial Estate. Family members allege delay in first aid.
And now for the news in detail. Goa saw 562 COVID-19 cases out of 2,504 samples tested for coronavirus on Tuesday. Meanwhile, India reported 1,61,736 new coronavirus infections in a day, pushing the tally to 1.36 crore. The national COVID-19 recovery rate dropped further to 89.51%, says data updated by the Union Health Ministry on Tuesday. Here are the details.
Despite all the hype over Maharashtra and its large number of cases, as of April 9, it stood 7th in the total number of cases per million population, 25,929. Delhi topped with 42,085, followed by Goa, 41,986, Ladakh, 38,715, Puducherry, 34,829, Kerala, 34,554, and Chandigarh, 28,370. It also stood 5th in the number of deaths per million population with 452, again after Delhi 667, Goa 579, Puducherry 551 and Ladakh 474. 10 states Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan and Kerala have shown a rise in the COVID-19 daily cases, accounting for 80.80% of the new infections reported in a day. The Union Health Ministry said India's total active case load has reached 12,64,698, which now comprises 9.24% of the country's total infections. A net increase of 63,689 cases recorded in total active case load in span of 24 hours. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
The road from Ravanpon to Kepe has become a dead trap. The potholes are spectacular. Bike riders are most vulnerable to these and many have met with accidents. The authorities had promised to repair all Goan roads, but now the rains are almost at the doors and many of them are still not being repaired.
The potholes are dangerous and somebody has put flags in the potholes, possibly to warn motorists, apt as it is Gudi Padwa today. However, this is not much use as people are not able to understand or avoid these potholes. This has led to series of mishaps. First, a couple fell in, then a doctor. Officials and minister daily pass on this road, but it seems that they are not affected much. Watch.
आज आम्ही आसात तो रोड रावणफोंड साकून केपी वता आणि ह्या रोडाचेर आज तुम्ही आमच्या फाटल्यान पळयतात रोडाची परिस्थिती किती जाल्ली. ह्या रोडाक मात सुद्धा आधार ना. काल एक कपल जे आसा ते ह्या रोडाचेर हांगा पडले. हे पडले ते कित्या खातीर आज आमी दाखयतात. हो जो रोड आसा केपी वचपाचो रोड आसा तुम्ही पळयतात पळयात. ह्या रोडाचेर केदी फातर घालून कितें करून दवरले. आज ह्या रोडाचेर व्हडले बुराक पडल्यात आनी हे बुराक पुरोवपाक जाय म्हणून हांगा फातर घालून दवरल्यात. PWDचे ऑफिशियल या मिनिस्टर आणि MLA ह्या रोडान जाय कितले जाण वतात पूण तांकां अजुनूय दिश्ट पडना. आमी अशें म्हणटात की PWD मिनिस्टर आसा ताका दोळे ना काय कितें आनी दोळे ना तेन्ना PWD मिनिस्टर ना जाल्यार जे ऑफिशियल आसा जे PWDचे ऑफिशियल तांकांय आसा काय कितें. एक म्हणणें आसा माजर खंय दोळे धांपून दूध पिता आनी आपल्याक काय कोण पळयना ही म्हण आसा ती म्हण आज तुमकां ह्या फाटल्यान दिश्ट पडटा. आज आमगेले हिंदू भावाचे जे आसा ते सगळे घराचेर गुडी उबारतात आनी आज केपी रोडाचेर जो रावण फोंड सावन केपें वयता त्या रोडाचेर आतां एक गुडी उबारले कडेन आसा. हेजे वयल्यान करता की जो सरकार आसा तो कितलो ह्या रोडाचेर बरो आसता. लोक हाली हांगा जीव वतात. काल एक दोतोर हांगा पडलो, तो सुद्दां असो पडलो तो दोतोर चेकअप करपाक वतालो, कोणाक चेक करपाक वतालो आनी तो दोतोर राती हांगा पडलो. ही रातची 11:30 सुमार खबर जाली. कोण तरी घेवन व्हरपा आयले तेका आनी तो वतना ते हांगा पडले. ही दोतोर पडलो म्हणून आमी न्यूज करता अशें म्हणून आमी गोवा 365 हे जायते इश्यू जे आसात रोडाचे उदकाचे हे खुबशे हाडून दाखयतात आनी तेचोच हे म्हणून जेन्ना दोतोरान आमकां सांगलें अशें अशें आसा मातशें पळया रे म्हणून आज आमी हांगा आयले. आनी आज पळय जायत तुमी फाटल्यान तुमी पळयतात कितें केदे मोठे फातर घातले ते हांगा. आनी हे जर अशेंच उरलें जर आनी कितली जाण पडटले हे सांगपाक शकना आमी. हेचेर बेगीच्या बेगीन PWDन लक्ष दिवचें आनी हो सारको करचो. गोवा 365 खातीर रावण फोंड केपें रोडा वयल्यान रमेश नायक राव.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Goa Forward on Tuesday said that it had officially exited from the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance in power in the centre. It also promised that it will not tie up with the NDA in future. Ironically, the Vijay Sardesai-led party has been in talks with the Congress party at the high command level as well as the local level, trying to cobble up an alliance for the upcoming assembly elections for the past so many months. Here are the details.
Goa Forward was thrown out of the government in July 2019 after the demise of the then Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. However, it was still in the NDA. And despite this, the Congress Legislature Party leader Digambar Kamath and Co-Coordination Committee Chief Reginaldo Lorenzo had a tie-up with Goa Forward for the municipality elections, an action attacked by the party organization in a press conference in Fatorda itself. Listen to what Vijay has to say on this decision.
जे आमी दिगंबर कामत तांचे पॅनल ते मॉडल मडगांव आनी रेजिनाल्ड लॉरेन्सा कडेन हे आमी अलायन्स केल्ले. हे अलायन्स तांणी सपोर्ट केल्ले. सो तांकां अशें दिसूंक लागलें की एक म्हजेर ब्लॉट उरता की हांव एक NDAचो मेंबर आनी ताजे बरोबर NDAचे मेंबरा बरोबर हे कशे रावतात. कित्याक हे लोक आज गोंयचे सरकाराचो डिस्ट्रक्टीव एजेंडाचे विरुद्ध हे झगडटात. आमी जेन्ना 2017 NDAन मेंबर जाले, घटक म्हणून जाले, तेन्ना गोंयकारां खातीर NDA म्हणटा तें एक डेव्हलपमेंट एजेंडा आशिल्लो. 16,500 कोटीचे रस्ते आनी पूल करपाचें पर्रीकाराचें विजन म्हणल्यार आमचे खातीर NDA आशिल्ली. म्हणल्यार NDAचो डेव्हलपमेंटल एजेंडा पळोवन आमी NDAचे घटक जाल्ले. आयचो तांचो एजेंडा आसा कोल, लिनियर प्रोजेक्ट्स, डबल ट्रॅकिंग, पोर्ट्स काडून अडानी कडेन वाटप, अडानी सगळे घाणाक दिवप आमचे सगळे एंटायर MPD. हे जो सगळो विचार आहा, दिस इज अ डिस्ट्रक्टीव एजेंडा ऑफ द BJP एंड द NDA stands for that destructive agenda for us in Goa. ताजे खातीर आमी हांगा तातूंतल्यान भायर सरपाचो विचार केल्लो.
Listen to what the Congress spokesperson has to say on the alliance for the municipal elections a couple of days back.
Our leaders messed it up. And fellows like Digambar Kamath are out to finish it. Because, let me tell you, that Reginald Lawrence has, with his actions, by not showing any interest in Putturi, is made it very clear, if people understand and got brain and what eyes to see, he is not going to contest on the Congress ticket, neither he may get the Congress ticket. And Digambar Kamath, lock, stock and barrel will go to the BJP. That is the whole game plan. Even for a minister's berth, that demand, he was among the 10 to go. Digambar Kamath was among the 10 to go. And Reginald also was to go. Otherwise, Reginald should explain today to the people of Goa why was he chosen as the only MLA to give an office in the secretariat.
Sham Chari for Goa 365 from Panji.
Goa is gearing up for the second phase for the polls to define municipalities. Campaigns are going on in full swing. panels are slowly coming together and are being declared. Corner meets are also happening. The 5 municipalities Mapsa, Marmagao, Margao, Kepe and Sangye will go for polls on the 23rd of April and counting will take place on 26th of April.
Looks like the BJP versus BJP in Mormugao is yet to be settled down despite BJP state chief Sadanand Tanawade intervening and finally declaring that the controversy between 3 BJP MLAs, 2 of them who are minister, has been settled. Now, 3-time councillor and former Vasco BJP strongman Daji alias Krishna Sakar announcing a separate panel with 7 candidates for Mormugao municipal polls.
आमचो सपोर्ट कित्याक म्हणल्यार आमी 7 जाण आसा फाल्यां वास्कोच्या जनतेन आमकां 7 जाणांक जरी निवडून दिले जाल्यार आनी एक्स्टर्नल आमकां 2 जाण आयले जाल्यार पसून आमकां 4 कमी पडटा. सो एक तर आमी तांचो आदार घेतलो नाजाल्यार तांणी आमचो आदार घेतलो जाल्यार आमकां कांय प्रॉब्लेम ना. कित्याक हे 2 जाण जे आसा मोविन गुडिनो सर आनी मिलिंद सर हे खंय तरी आज सगळ्या आमच्या मुरगांव भागांत विकास पुरुश जे आसात आनी आमकां जाय कितें, आमकां जाय विकासूच. सो तांच्या आदारान सपोज वास्कोचो विकास जाता जाल्यार आमी कोणाय कडेन समझौता तांचे कडेन करपाक आमी रेडी आसा.
Opposition leader Digambar Kamath has launched campaign for his Congress candidate Dipali Sawal for Margao municipal polls.
लोक म्हणटा कित्याक रे कित्याक भोंवपा जाय तुका बिल्डिंगेंत गेल्लो मनीस सकाळीं म्हाका सांगपा लागलो तो म्हणपा तूं येवपाची गरज ना आमी तुजो फोटो पळयलो कॅन्डिडेटा बरोबर आनी मात तुज्याच कॅन्डिडेटा येता अशें लोकांचें आज मडगांवां रिएक्शन आसा. ताचो सिंबॉलूय बरें आसा. सिंबॉल कबड आहा. कबडाक कितें दवरता, कबडाक कितें दवरता, बायलो कितें दवरता कबडां, आं कितें दवरता, पयशे दवरता, सामान दवरता, कपडे दवरता, ज्युवेलरी दवरता, हे आं ते वखदां दवरतले म्हळ्यार कबड हे ताचो सिंबॉल आसा. म्हाका खात्री आसा आनी हाज्या सायडीचो वार्ड आसा तो वार्ड नंबर 20 ह्या सायडीचो थंय सिंबॉल कबड आहा म्हणजे 16 आनी 20 दोगांचे सिंबॉल एक आहा आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा की हाचो बेनिफीट थंय जातलो.
तुम्ही म्हाका बहुमतान निवडून दियात एज अ कावन्सिलर म्हण कितें कामां करपा जाय ती हांव उमेदीन आनी जिद्दीन करतलें. मॉडेल मडगांव हे सराची पॅनल मॉडेल मडगांव दिगंबर कामतीचे पॅनल ताका सपोर्ट करून तुमी आमचो झेंडो म्युनिसिपालिटीचेर फडकोवपाक आमकां मदत करची.
Hiru Male and Sandeep Toyakar for GOA 365 from Vasco and Margao.
One worker died after a cylinder burst at an oxygen factory at Kunkoli Industrial Estate. The family members have alleged that the deceased was not given medical treatment.
2 workers were injured and 25-year-old Sudhir Kumar Prasad from Bihar succumbed to his injuries. His cousin alleged that medical treatment was given after almost an hour and only after he intervened. It was only then that the police came and he was rushed to hospital.
मैं देखा कि वो लड़का ऐसा तड़प रहा था और तड़पते के साथ वो मैं पूछा मैनेजर को कि अभी ये आपके पास गाड़ी नहीं है क्या, इनको गाड़ी में डालना चाहिए, इनको जल्दी लेके जाना चाहिए. आपने एम्बुलेंस को फोन किया, उन्होंने एम्बुलेंस को फोन नहीं किया था. फिर बाद में बोलता नहीं किया हूँ तो वो बाइक वाले ये आया था तो बाइक वाले ने उसके आकर उसका मलहम पट्टी किया लेकिन इतनी वो दर्द था, फटा हुआ था, उससे कंट्रोल नहीं हो पाया. फिर मैं चिल्लाया, फिर मैंने पुलिस को फोन किया तो पुलिस के आते आते ही 10-15 मिनट के बाद पुलिस आया. उसी में वो सेठ ने अपना गाड़ी वो मडगांव से लेकर आया, एक कार में डाल के उसको बोला मैं इसको लेके जा रहा हूँ गिरीश नर्सिंग होम में. उनको बोला गिरीश नर्सिंग होम में जा रहा हूँ. मैं बोला ठीक है, हमारे पास और लड़के थे, मैं उसके साथ भेजा. ठीक है, इनको गिरीश नर्सिंग होम में जाइए, इधर मैं देखता हूँ. करीब लमसम 1 घंटा तक लड़का वो तड़प रहा.
तब तक उसने कुछ नहीं किया,
कोई गाड़ी नहीं आई, कोई बैलेंस नहीं, कुछ ट्रीटमेंट नहीं हुआ उसका. जिसके कारण वो मैं जब इधर पुलिस आएगा, पुलिस को इधर आकर मैं बातचीत करके और पुलिस को ये भी मैं बोला चलिए आप उस लड़के का सीरियस है, आप उसका स्टेटमेंट ले लीजिए. पुलिस वाले ने महेश नाम का पीआईएस थे, उन्होंने बोला हमको जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, हमको सब रिपोर्ट मिल जाए. और उधर बैठ के लोग सीसीटीवी कैमरा सब देखे, पुलिस वाले ने देखा और देखकर और हमको पुलिस वाले के अंदर जाने नहीं दिया जब सीसीटीवी कैमरा देख रहा था. उसका जो मैनेजर है उसने बोला आप अंदर मत जाओ, मैं बाद में बताता हूँ क्या है.
वो ये गलती किसकी है?
ये गलती पूरी कंपनी की है और कंपनी इसने कोई वहाँ अरेंजमेंट नहीं है कि आदमी कुछ हो गया तो एक्शन ले सकता है. अगर 1 घंटा अगर जो तड़पता रह गया, अगर उसके पहले गाड़ी एम्बुलेंस आ जाती तो शायद वो बच्चा बच जाता.
It's just 1 year since the deceased Sudhir Kumar married. He is survived by an 8-year-old son. He is the only earning member in the family. Locals have demanded that the government and factory owners ensure that basic facilities be ensured in the premises and the family of the deceased looked after.
देऊन आम्ही आमची एकूच मागणी गेली 7-8 वर्ष झाले आम्ही हांगा म्हणतात की आमकां हांगा फायर ब्रिगेड दिवची म्हणून पूण अजून पर्यंत सरकारा कडेन किंवा आमचे पळय जे स्थानीक पळय जे स्वराज्य संस्था आसात तांचे कडेन सुद्दां गांभीर्यान बाबा हांगा एक फायर ब्रिगेड हाडची किंवा फायर ब्रिगेडची हांगा ऑफिस स्थापन करून ती दवरची अशा प्रकारची कांयच स्टेप्स जाली ना खरें म्हणलें जर जाता जाल्यार ऑन द स्पॉट जर काही जर एक्शन्स जर घेतिल्ली जाल्यार बिचारो येता पळय जो कोण पळय जो जवळ जवळ 2.5 ते 3 तास पळय हांगा तळमळत उरलो न्ही तो तसो तो तळमळत उरचो नाशिल्लो ऑन द स्पॉट तो एक्चुअली ताका हॉस्पिटलां वचपा जाय आशिल्लो पूण तें हांगा घडलें ना.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Kukoli.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Gudi Padwa was celebrated throughout the state on Tuesday under the shadow of pandemic.
Hindus celebrated Gudi Padwa with enthusiasm. In Maharashtra, the Hindu New Year is celebrated as Gudi Padwa, Yugadi in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, Vishu in Kerala, Balsaki in Punjab, while Nob Borso in Bengal. A gudi is erected before the house to symbolize this day as victory. Programs are held. Various cultural and religious programs were held across Goa on this occasion. Sandeep Kamolkar, Mahesh Govekar, Sham Chari and Sandeep Toenkar for Goa 365.
Unseasonal albeit light rains occurred at isolated places over the state. There was no large change in the maximum temperature over North Goa and South Goa districts of the state. Rain is likely to continue.
It was above normal over North Goa and South Goa districts of the state. The highest maximum temperature of 34.9 degrees Celsius was recorded at Panaji. Light rain, thundershowers very likely at few places over district on 13th and 14th April. Weather is very likely to be dry on 15th, 16th and 17th April. No large change in maximum temperature during next 4 to 5 days. Goa 365 Bureau with input from IMD.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching.